Oh, let me try.
The seat broke.
No way. First one?
It broke?
The thing popped out. I'll go get him, Aaron.
Been wearing the shirt since last week.
Oh, nice. But have you taken a shower though?
Nope.
Okay. On that note, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I've been away for a bit. I've been out of town on some business trips, so I haven't really recorded that much. Again, this vlog is gonna be a bunch of random clips from my life the past few weeks. Next video is gonna be a really good video. I'm looking forward to it. I have a buddy that's gonna come help me with it, and I know it's gonna be great. So this vlog is gonna be just like, I think it was 2 vlogs ago. I only have 3, but I can't really remember them that well. So I hope you guys enjoy. Oh snap. You ready? What are those?
These are burgers.
Oh snap! Alright guys, so tomorrow morning I get my wisdom teeth taken out. Not sure how it's gonna go. I have a plane trip on Sunday to go to Connecticut, to work in Connecticut for a bit. And then I'm gonna come back on Friday, all while I'm swollen and in a lot of pain. So we'll see how this goes. What's up, guys? It's a few days after my surgery. Sorry I didn't take you into the operating room. I was under some Valium, so, which I'm thankful for, but it went smooth. I don't have a lot of pain. I'm not on any super crazy drugs right now, but I'm about to get on a plane to go to Connecticut for work, and hopefully I can get some good footage of that, so we'll see. All right, so now it's Saturday. I got back from the trip and I didn't get any footage of it because I was at work and I was tired. So sorry. But anyway, we're headed over to Swami Fest right now. My dad's gonna take pictures for a magazine. So hopefully if there's anything interesting, I'll record it. But if it's boring, then I'll just skip to later. All right, bye. Place I'm working at. They have me here in Dallas, Texas because this Home Depot warehouse is moving down the road somewhere that way, about 5 miles, and they brought me down here to help take everything, put it on a truck, and send that truck off to the new location that's a lot bigger than this warehouse. You guys probably don't care, but that's just why I'm here in Dallas, staying busy. Update. It's Thursday and I'm not having fun. So yeah, I hope when I get home I can do something fun, because this is not fun. Working 12 hours a day is not fun. Eating the same thing every day is not fun. Being away from my friends, not fun. Alright guys, it's my last day in Dallas. I'm flying out tomorrow morning. Oh, I gotta wake up really early for that. My flight leaves at 9. I will be in Atlanta around 1 because of the time change. My friend Jordan is picking me up. I don't know what I'm doing after he picks me up. I'm gonna go home and then rest because it's been a long week. It's been a long few weeks. It's been a really long month. There's a lot of travel and going everywhere, doing this and that. So I will catch y'all in Atlanta.
You guys go crazy! Everybody, let's go! Let's get those hands up! Are you ready for a Saturday night dance party? I better see you dancing!
Conti wants to be on the vlog.
Alright y'all, we're here with Elijah Starr.
Hey, I'm Elijah Starr. Where did you work? There's billions of people seeing this.
Alright, now we're here with Silas Howard and Carla, his girlfriend, and Abigail and Jordan.
My own mind, you will never find anyone as trusting or as kind. If I tell her that I love her, she'd be silently resigned. He'd be mine, she'd say I'm fine, she'd be lying. When I fantasize,
It's cocaína.
Alright, that's going to wrap up this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry if it was a little all over the place. It's been a long month, and I just got a whole bunch of random clips from what I've been doing the past month, and I just threw it all together. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, make sure you leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And I will see y'all next time.
I also wanted to find you because of this. Princess, will you marry marry me if your father says yes?
I would love to!